Hi bakers, did you know there's different types of buttercreams in the world? So I'm going to name the top 4 that are known by most people. American buttercream, that has usually a fat like butter. Some people substitute margarine. It also has icing sugar, a liquid sometimes like milk or water, and then flavoring. SMBC, Swiss meringue buttercream, usually that has castor sugar, very, finely granulated white sugar, egg whites that are cooked to a certain temperature, and then you add butter when it has cooled and beat that to it has a very nice silky creamy kind of texture. Most bakers do prefer to American buttercream. Third type of buttercream is Italian meringue buttercream. So in Italian meringue buttercream, instead of using castor sugar, you use sugar syrup, which is basically like some sugar that has been liquefied, and then you pour that into the egg whites and then you add the butter. The final buttercream is French meringue buttercream, say that really quickly, and what it does is uses egg yolks instead of egg whites as opposed to the other one. So that does tend to have a slightly yellowish creamish color.